Welcome to Autos Insight, your go-to channel for car maintenance, repair tips, and automotive breakdowns you can trust. In today's video, we're talking about bad fuel pump symptoms and how to recognize them before they leave you stranded. The fuel pump is a crucial part of your car's fuel delivery system. It takes fuel from the tank and delivers it to the engine at the correct pressure. When this part starts failing, your engine suffers, and so does your driving experience. One of the earliest signs of a bad fuel pump is engine sputtering. This often happens at high speeds when your engine suddenly struggles to maintain power. It feels like your car is choking on air or fuel. Another common symptom is trouble starting the vehicle. If the fuel pump is weak or failing, it may not supply enough fuel to start the engine. In some cases, the car might crank but take longer to start or need multiple attempts. If you're experiencing poor fuel economy, that could also be tied to a failing fuel pump. When the pump doesn't regulate pressure correctly, the engine can receive more fuel than needed, leading to inefficient combustion and lower mileage. Engine stalling, especially at high temperatures, is another serious warning. A failing fuel pump may work inconsistently and cause the engine to lose power unexpectedly. If your engine stalls while you're driving, this could indicate the pump is overheating or malfunctioning. A whining noise coming from the fuel tank area is a classic sign that the fuel pump may be wearing out. Normally, the fuel pump runs quietly, but when it begins to fail, you might hear a loud, continuous whining or buzzing noise, especially when the tank is low. Another symptom is loss of power under stress, like when going uphill, accelerating quickly, or carrying a heavy load. If your car feels sluggish or unresponsive in these conditions, the pump might not be delivering enough fuel to meet engine demands. In some cases, you may also notice jerking or surging. This happens when the fuel pump sends inconsistent fuel flow to the engine, causing it to lurch or accelerate unpredictably. Engine misfires or backfires may also occur as the A-fuel mixture becomes imbalanced due to inconsistent fuel delivery. Lastly, your check engine light may come on due to incorrect fuel pressure readings. While this could point to various engine problems, diagnostic trouble codes like P0087 or P0230 may specifically indicate fuel pressure or fuel pump circuit issues. If you're experiencing two or more of these symptoms, it's important to get your vehicle checked immediately. Ignoring a failing fuel pump can eventually lead to total engine failure or being stranded without warning. Regular maintenance and fuel filter replacement can also help extend the lifespan of your fuel pump. Thanks for watching Autos Insight. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more real-world car tips and maintenance advice.